Hello class, this is Nina, your project management instructor and coach. Let's learn about the differences between project management, program management, and portfolio management. In terms of project management, program management, and portfolio management. So here you probably have heard those terms, program manager, project manager, portfolio, these different things. There are three different things. Project is a temporary endeavor with a beginning and an end that has one very specific goal that is trying to accomplish, right? So that's a project. A program is different. A program is a set, a group of related projects that are formed into a program as a structure of organizing projects in order to be able to get better utilization of the resources within that project. So I can give you an example. So if we have a company that does different things, so we might have a contract with the Department of Education, right? Then we might have a contract with Department of Transportation, Department of Buildings. But all three of those contracts might deal with software installation, right? Okay, that's great. Perfect. So those three projects belong to our software installation program. Why would we want to group those projects together? Because we're not going to have 3 guys on this, 3 guys on the other DOT, and 3 guys on DOB. And what about if 3 guys from DOB are sick? Would it be smart to have the other staff members cross-trained to cover all 3 of the related types of projects?
Yes.
Right? So, and you can get much more efficiency and effectiveness and definitely cost savings and cost avoidance. So you want to be able to utilize cross-train and utilize different resources, right? Maybe in the same company, we also have a few times we've noticed that we get contracts to create help desks, support help desks. Now, are those help desks, once we create them, a project, or are they an operation? Once we've created them, they are an operation. But to create them, to install, to set up, and operationalize it, we have a project. Now, if we notice that we have a few of those projects coming through the thing, it would be beneficial for us to group projects that are related in that way together, because then we can build the knowledge base, utilize the resources, and have really our experts in that area work together as part of a program. Now, larger organizations have the luxury of having programs. Smaller organizations don't always have enough staffing, enough projects at any given point in time to create these programs and program managers that are overseeing the program itself. But when we do have a large enough company that has multiple sets of related projects, it is really, really useful to create programs so we can utilize those resources and really compile the knowledge base, the lessons learned from these projects. So it's a really it's a great tool to use. It's a great concept that in larger companies, medium and large companies, can bring a lot of cost savings and a lot of efficiency in running the business, and definitely in terms of staffing needs and scheduling as well. So that's a program. So we said project is a temporary endeavor with a beginning and an end, and it has to have a specific goal, whether it's creating a product, service, or a result. Great. Then we said that our program is a group of related projects, projects that are related in nature, right? So it could be a set call center type of projects, help desk, software upgrades. It could be different types grouped together, right? It could be web development, web design. It could be different things that, as long as the project is related in nature, they can be grouped together to share those critical resources. Now we have portfolio. So we have project, then we have program, then we have portfolio. Now portfolio consists of, every single portfolio within a company consists of both programs and projects that are aimed at the same organizational strategic goal. What does that mean? That means that each company, each organization has a certain set of organizational strategic goals that they're trying to achieve. It is the projects and programs that aim at assisting the company to achieve its specific strategic goals that become part of those respective portfolios.